Beiding Changyao Lemport and Export Co. Td. is a globally trusted manufacturer and trader of premium luggage and bags, combining 20 years of production expertise with a decade of dedicated trading experience. With over 10,000 plus innovative designs in our portfolio, we serve 5,000 plus satisfied clients across retail, wholesale, and OEM sectors, delivering quality, versatility, and customization at scale. End-to-end solutions, from conceptual design to bulk production, our vertically integrated facility ensures seamless control over quality, cost, and timelines. Customization excellence, our R&D team collaborates closely with clients to develop tailor-made products, including logo embossing, material selection, and functional enhancements. Quality assurance, rigorous testing protocols, abrasion, load-bearing, zipper durability comply with international standards ISO, BISI, REACH, Global REACH. Efficient logistics networks enable timely delivery to North America, Europe, and emerging markets. Why choose us? Backed by a professional team of designers, engineers, and trade specialists, we prioritize transparency, innovation, and long-term partnerships. Whether you seek trending collections or private label solutions, we transform vision into market-ready products. Commitment. Sustainability drives our operations. Eco-friendly materials and ethical labor practices underscore our pledge to responsible business. Let us redefine luggage excellence together.